Imagine walking into an Apple store with $700 and walking out with a desktop computer that outperforms a $5,000 workstation from just a few years ago. No, this isn't a refurbished deal. This isn't a student discount hack. This is the reality of 2026. Apple has done the one thing we all thought was impossible. They've turned their smallest, most affordable box into their most dangerous weapon. It's called the Mac Mini M5. And while the M4 version was already a masterpiece, the leaks surrounding the M5 and M5 Pro are so disruptive, they are literally sending shockwaves through the entire PC industry. If you are watching this right now, you are witnessing the death of the budget PC. For decades, the Mac Mini was the entry-level choice. It was the box you bought for your parents, or the one you used for a basic home office. But the M5 is a declaration of war. It's a war on bulky towers, a war on loud fans, and frankly, it's a war on our own expectations of what a $699 computer can do. Today, we are diving deep into the machine that shouldn't exist. We are going to look at why Apple is finally killing the 256GB storage nightmare, the secret N3P manufacturing process that makes this possible, and the bombshell leaks suggesting a fusion architecture that bridges the gap between the Mini and the Mac Studio. Stick with me. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Mac Mini M5 is the most important computer Apple has ever designed, and why buying any other desktop right now, even a Mac Studio, might be the biggest mistake you can make. Let's start with the why. Why now? Why did Apple wait until 2026 to push the boundaries of the Mini this far? To understand the M5, you have to understand the success of the M4. Launched as a compact powerhouse, the M4 Mac Mini proved that Americans wanted invisible power. We wanted a desk that looked like a minimalist Pinterest board, but performed like a Hollywood editing suite. The result was a surge in demand that even Apple didn't anticipate. But as with all tech, the goalposts have moved. We are now in the era of Apple Intelligence. We are in the era of local large language models and AI-driven video generation. The M4 was a bridge, but the M5 is the destination. The leaks for the 2026 models, codenamed J527, are pointing toward a device that fixes every single historical complaint while keeping the price at that legendary $699 starting point. The heart of the Mac Mini M5 is the new M5 chip, built on TSMC's refined N3P 3nm node. Now, why does that matter to someone sitting in a home office in Ohio or a studio in Seattle? Because N3P isn't just a minor tweak, it's an architecture shift. It allows for a 15% increase in transistor density and a 20% reduction in power consumption. Because the Mac Mini is a desktop, Apple is reportedly uncorking this chip. In a laptop, you have to worry about battery life. In the Mini, you have a constant power source. Apple is reportedly allowing the M5 to run at higher clock speeds for sustained periods, meaning this entry-level chip is expected to beat the M3 Pro in single-core performance. But here is the headline that is going to make you wait for the M5, the end of the base model trap. For years, the tech community has begged Apple to stop selling 256GB computers. In 2026, the storage nightmare is officially over. Massive